The Filipino adverb kadalasan means usually in English. Kadalasan. Let us have the following example sentences using the Filipino adverb or pang-abay kadalasan. Kadalasan, nagpapahinga ako tuwing hapon. It means usually I rest every afternoon. Kadalasan, usually pahinga is rest. Ko is I, tuwing is every, and then hapon is afternoon. Kadalasan nagpapahinga ako tuwing hapon. Kadalasan ay tahimik ang aming kapitbahay. It means our neighborhood or neighbor is usually quiet. Kadalasan is usually tahimik means quiet. Amin is like our kapitbahay. It can either be a neighbor or a neighborhood. But here it would definitely somehow mean a neighbor. It can also be kapitbahayan in a way. Kapitbahay is neighbor. Kadalasan ay tahimik ang aming kapitbahay. Kadalasan nangyayari ang aksidente. It means accidents usually happen. Kadalasan usually nangyayari is like happen, and then an aksidente is an accident. Kadalasan nangyayari ang aksidente. Kumakain ako ng gulay kadalasan sa tanghalian. It means I usually eat vegetables for lunch. Kumakain-kain is like eat, and then ako is I, gulay is vegetable. Kadalasan is usually, tanghalian is lunch. Kumakain ako ng gulay kadalasan sa tanghalian. And once again, the pang-abay kadalasan means usually in English. Kadalasan.